In this video, you're going to learn how to configure the Hillstone firewall to connect to the internet in routing mode. First, let's take a look at this topology. This is the most standard topology for Hillstone firewall in routing mode. The firewall works as a gateway of the customer's network, connect to the LAN and WAN in the same time. The public IP address has been already applied from the ISP. There are four main steps for the device connect to the internet: interface configuration, routing configuration, SNET configuration, and policy configuration. Let's take a look at them one by one. First, the interface configuration. In the Network tab, Interface, choose the interface which you want to be used as the WAN interface, which means this interface is connected to the ISP directly. Click Edit. Bend the interface to L3 zone and choose the zone as untrust. Usually we bend the WAN interface to the untrust zone and specify the public IP address. And net mask. Then click OK. Now, the routing configuration. Click Routing. In Destination Route, click New. Usually for this standard topology, only a default route would be needed. So specify both destination and subnet mask as 0.0.0.0 and specify the gateway from the ISP. And click OK. Now the SNET configuration. In Policy, Net, SNET. Click New. Just specify the egress interface. Choose the WAN interface which has just been configured, and then click OK. The last step is create a policy. In Security Policy, click New. Specify the source zone as trust, and specify the destination zone as untrust. The action permit. Click OK. With this policy rule, you would allow all LAN users accessing to the internet. Thank you for watching. Please visit kb.hillstonenet.com for more detail in the document library.